We have a dua that is known to many, but maybe a lot of people do not know the reward of saying it and how many times we are supposed to say it per day. The first narration is in Bukhari and Muslim, muttafaqun alayh. It means agreed upon, the highest level of authenticity. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. We all know this dua, right? لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. Okay, the first hadith, like we said, agreed upon. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said, whomsoever say this statement 100 times per day, what happens? Lend me your ears, my beloved brothers and sisters, and lend me your heart. 5 things take place, and they're all amazing. Number 1, Rasulullah ﷺ said, he will, as if he has freed 10 slaves, as if it's equal to freeing 10 slaves. I will explain, inshallah. And second, 100 hasana will be recorded for him or her. 100 sin will be erased. That's the third. Protection from the shaitan the whole day. And the fifth one, Allahu Akbar, no one has done anything better than him on the day of judgment except a person that says it more. Let's go one by one. It's equal to freeing 10 slaves. What does freeing a slave mean? The ulama said, because now there are no slaves to free, every time you see a dua that the reward of it is as if you have freed a slave, it is, insha'Allah ta'ala, will increase the possibility of you being freed from the hellfire. So here, as if you have freed 10 slaves, you increase the possibility of you being freed 10 times from the hellfire. And there's a hadith also in Bukhari and Muslim. Rasulullah ﷺ said, he who sets free a Muslim slave, Allah will deliver from the fire of hell every limb of his body in return for every limb of the slave's body. So inshallah ta'ala, every time we hear the reward of freeing a slave, inshallah ta'ala, we are also increasing the possibility of us being freed from the hellfire. So the first reward, equal as if you have freed 10 slaves. 100 hasana recorded. Allahu Akbar. 100 sayyi'ah, evil deed, erased. And protection from the shaitan the whole day. Protection from the shaitan. You know how many times, brothers and sisters, people call or inquire about, oh yeah, Shaykh, wallahi, I feel like my son is possessed with a jinn. I am possessed with a jinn, evil eye. All these, insha'Allah ta'ala, as just like the promise. Who said this? Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I did not say it. And it's in Bukhari and Muslim, 100% authentic. Protection from the shaitan, you have to believe it for it to take place. Protection from the shaitan the whole day, no evil eye, no envy, no nothing will happen to you, insha'Allah ta'ala, this whole day. And look at the last, subhanAllah, the fifth reward. Don't you want to come on the day of judgment as the best person? The hadith said, and no one comes on the day of judgment better than him except a person that says it more than him. Brothers and sisters, لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. First, what does it mean? La ilaha illallah, we all know that, Ya Allah, I am confirming again and again the kalima of Tawheed, the best kalima ever. No one's worthy of worship except you, Ya Allah. La ilaha illallah, wahdah, la sharika lah. Allah has no partners whatsoever. He has no son, no wife, no mother, no father. La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lah. Lahul mulk. The kingdom belongs to him. Everything belongs to him. The heavens and the earth belongs to him. All the Milky Ways belong to Allah Azza wa Jal. Lahul mulk wa lahul hamd. And all the gratitude belong to Allah Azza wa Jal. Because everything I have, everything you have, everything we all have is from him. So the gratitude, we have to be extremely thankful to him. I'm admitting that here. Lahul mulk wa lahul hamd. And not only that, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. And he is capable of doing anything. Subhanallah. When you say that, please, when you say وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٍ, remember that He is capable of curing cancer. He is capable of curing corona. He is capable of paying your debt. He is capable of guiding your son. He is capable of granting you a righteous spouse. He is capable of making that person that hate you love you. على كل شيء قدير. He is capable to destroy any enemy of Islam. على كل شيء قدير. Live it. Live it. Subhanallah. As a matter of fact, when we come inshallah ta'ala closer to the Hijjah, the month of Hajj, Rasulullah he told us what is the best dua in Arafah. Arafah is the best day of the year. And everybody over there is making all kinds of dua. Ya Rasulullah, what is the best dua in Arafah? He said, it is the best thing that I have said and all the prophets have said before me. What is it, Ya Rasulullah? لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير. Do you know how long does it take to say it 100 times? I timed it for you so you know exactly how long does it take. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to get all these rewards insha'Allah ta'ala and full coverage, full protection from the shaitan. That is the first hadith. Second hadith is in Abu Dawood and it's also sahih. And by the way, for the brothers and sisters who just started following me, I do not quote any hadith that is weak. All the hadith that I quote are authentic, and if I quote a hadith that is weak or there's difference of opinion about it, I will mention it in my talk. So this other hadith is also sahih. It's in Abu Dawood. Rasulullah he said, and by the way, somebody might ask, does the 100 La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa ala kulli shay'in qadir, does it have to be consecutive, like in the same sitting, like I said 8 minutes? Does it have to be? No, you could say 10 here, 10 there, as long as it's 100 inshaAllah ta'ala. Because like Imam al-Nawawi rahimahullah, may Allah have mercy on him, he said whether it's said consecutive or mutafarriqa or separate, inshaAllah ta'ala, he will get the ajr or she will get the ajr. So the other hadith is in Abu Dawood, and Rasulullah he said, anyone who says in the morning, he said after Fajr, in the morning, لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير 10 times. This hadith is 10 times. What's the ajr? He will get the reward of freeing one slave, and he will get 10 hasanat, 10 good deeds. 10 evil deeds will be deducted from him, and he will be elevated in Jannah 10 degrees, 10 levels, and he will be guarded from the shaitan till the evening. And whosoever says it in the evening, he will be protected till the morning. So 10 times after Fajr, 10 times after Maghrib. If the 100 is too hard for you, even though the reward is immense, my brothers and sisters, then you could say the 10 after Fajr and 10 after Maghrib, inshallah.